What if you never had to leave Figma again? No more After Effects for animation, no more jumping to a shader editor, no more building plugins from scratch. This is exactly what Figma just announced at Config 2016. Hey, I am Habib Ahmed, and in this video I am going to break down all 6 major features from Config 2016, tell you what each one actually does, and let you know which one you can use right now. Let's get into it. The first feature is the biggest one, Figma Motion. This is a full animation timeline built directly inside your Figma design file, same canvas, same theme, no switching tools. You get keyframes, easing, curves, spring animations, and presets. You can build animations from scratch or just ask the Figma agent to generate a starting point and then tweak it from there. The thing that makes this really powerful is how it connects to design systems. You animate a component once and the motion travels across every screen automatically. Just like this, fills and typography already work in Figma today. And when you are ready to hand off, you can export as CSS, JSON, React, MP4, GIF, or animated SVG. Developers get exactly what they need with no extra steps. Figma Motion is in open beta right now and available on all plans. Publishing animated components and high-res video exports do require a paid plan with a full seat. Feature 2 is shader effects and fills. Shaders creates visual effects like frosted glass, chrome finishes, pixelation, dithering, and particle effects. The kind of stuff that used to need a developer or a 3D tool to pull off. Now you just describe what you want in plain text or pass in an image as a reference, and the Figma agent builds the shader for you. What comes back is not a flat image, it's a live adjustable effect with controls right on the canvas. You can stack it with other effects, keyframe it inside Figma Motion, and export it directly to code. It runs on web GPU, so it is fast. Note that Firefox has web GPU disabled by default right now, so Firefox user will not see shader fills render. Figma also ships 30 plus ready-made shaders in the new tools tab that anyone can use for free on any plan. Feature 3 is code layers. The idea here is that code is now a material on the Figma canvas. Just like you have image layers and vector layers, you can now have code layers sitting right next to your design frames. Click on any frame, convert it to a code layer, and your teammates can comment on it, your PM can view it, and no one needs to leave the file. You can also clone a GitHub repository directly into Figma or upload a local folder. Duplicate code layers side by side to compare two directions. Then when you are ready, extract it back to editable Figma layers. Edit in the code editor or ask the agent. One click syncs changes back when you are done. Feature 4 is Generative Plugins. Before this, building a custom Figma plugin meant setting up a development environment, learning the plugin API with JavaScript. It was a whole side project just to automate one small task. Now you just describe what you want in a plain text and Figma agent writes the plugin for you. You want something that auto resize selected images to a specific ratio. Describe it, a plugin that checks spacing against your design tokens. Describe it, done. Right now you can share generated plugins with a file. Team sharing, org sharing, and community publishing are all coming soon. There is also a new tools tab with first party Figma plugins and community plugins all in one place. A lot to work with right out of the box. Feature 5 is Wave Tools coming into Figma design. Quick background: Figma acquired a company called Wavy last year and rebranded as Figma Wave. Wave is a node-based canvas where you build generative AI workflows by connecting different AI models together. Now those workflows are inside your design file. Things like swapping backgrounds, adding a logo to a mockup, changing image aspect ratios, applying a style transfer, all of this runs directly on the canvas without switching apps. You can also build your own Wave workflows and publish them as templates for other designers to remix. It is essentially AI-powered image editing that lives inside your normal design process. Wave tools in Figma are available on professional plans and above with a full seat. Feature 6 is major upgrades to Figma Design Agent. 4 things changed here. First, skills. You can now package your own design conversations as reusable agent instructions. Your type scale, your grid, your spacing rules. Create the skill once and the agent applies it automatically every time. You can also import skills from your team or community. Second, connectors. Link GitHub, Notion and other external tools directly to the agent. When it generates a code layer, it can reference your actual project instead of guessing. Third, web search. The agent can now search the web to find best practices, pull in real content instead of placeholders, and research design patterns, all without leaving your files. Fourth, shared prompt history. Agent conversations are visible to your whole team by default. Everyone can see what directions were explored. You can set conversations to private for sensitive work. So that is all 6 features from Figma Config 2016: Motion, shaders, code layers, generative plugins, wave tools and agent upgrades. Figma Motion and shaders are live right now in open beta on all plans. Code layers, the FigJam agent and the slide agents are on the waitlist. Links for all of that are in the description below. The overall message from Figma this year is that AI lowered the floor, but designer will raise the ceiling. And honestly, with this set of tools, I believe that. If this helped you, drop a like. It helps a lot. Subscribe if you are new. I will see you in the next one.